We continue. Python tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna explain about operator assignment, divide by and assign. This is almost the same as the same multiply and assign. The difference lies only in the operator. Just go straight. We practice. I created a variable with value 20. Then with the variable whose name I made the same. It's worth 4. Don't forget to replace. Operator is divide and assign. Here, variable a is worth 20. Divided by certain value is 4. Results will be included to the variable a back like that. That's why this print is a print a. Let's try to run. How did it go? Well, the result is 5. Because 20 divided by 5. 5 and returned. The result to variable a back. Well, like that, try to replace it with negative value. The result is like what? Well, the results will be negative. Because all the numbers divided by negative definitely came out negative. It's been stipulation. Okay, I think this short video that's enough. May be useful. Thank you.